L, P, E, P, L. Today, I am going to break down sounds of the Jamaican language, the Jamaican alphabet. Stick around. The first step to understanding our language is to understand the basic sounds that our words make. Representing these sounds in a written form that is consistent and true to the way we speak or how the language sounds, that is what is referred to as a writing system. A Jamaican linguist by the name of Frederick Cassidy had studied the language, and he realized that there was a specific way that the sounds of the language could be represented in an alphabet form. So he came up with a writing system that decades later the Jamaican Language Unit at the University of the West Indies in Jamaica decided to modify. It's called the C-JLU writing system. I have decided, for the most part, to try and standardize the way that I present the written form of the Jamaican language on this channel in order to better help you guys to grasp how our language sounds. So, in the English alphabet,
there are 26 letters in the alphabet. You better know them. You better say them.
In the Jamaican alphabet, there are actually 34 or 34 different sounds. Now, in the Jamaican alphabet, we don't have no hidden sounds. We don't have any sounds that could be represented in different ways. The letter is used as it sounds or as it's naturally sounded. Example, A says A, B, B, C, K, S, Did you see what happened there? Different ways that letter C could be sounded in the English language. So the letter C is therefore not a part of the Jamaican alphabet because it could be pronounced multiple ways. So Q by itself not depend on the alphabet, and X not depend on the alphabet neither. H by itself not depend on the alphabet, but sometimes we use it for certain words where begin with a vowel. Now, in the Jamaican alphabet, there are not only vowels, but there are vowel combinations. As in the English language, in Jamaican, we have A, E, I, O, U, which are called short vowels. They sound A, E, I, E, O, U, as vowels. There are combination of vowels that we would use to represent a particular sound that we have in the Jamaican language. For instance, these are long vowels. A, I, E, U, oo. Next we have double vowels. I, IE, IE, OU, UO, UO. Now for the consonant them. B says B, D, D, F, G, G, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, P, P, R, R, S, S, T, T, V, V, W, W, Y, Y, and Z, Z. On the matter of consonants, there are some consonant combinations that we do have represented in the Jamaican alphabet, like CH, 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 HN, kind of nasal sound, NG, SH, 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 ZH, j, j.
I almost forgot to mention OR, which while it's not on the alphabet, it can be represented by the sound as in world.
Now, if you remember, as I said before, in this writing system, we represent the Jamaican words based on the sound of the letters. So once you do that, you pretty much will have a very good grasp of how the Jamaican word is actually sounded out or pronounced. So now I am going to give you some examples of words written using the Jamaican alphabet, and you follow along.
Walk, walk. Suit, suit. Teeth them, teeth them. Name, name. Climb, climb. Cow, cow. Goat, goat. Whirl, whirl. Sit down, sit down. Wah, wah. Measure, measure. Catch, catch. Shape, shape.
Follow as best as you can how the letters are pronounced, how the combination of vowels or the combination of consonants are pronounced. Come make we practice. A feel your turn. It's your turn. Wow, I'm so proud of you if you even try. Listen, every week there's a new video for you to bring you that much closer to speaking with an authentic Jamaican accent. Alright? So remember, like, subscribe, comment, ask questions. We want to hear from you. Until next time, big up yourself, bless up yourself. Little more.